If you want to go from this,
I'm gonna start by saying that.
to this, I'm gonna start by saying that. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I reduced my room echo. Welcome to Luquid Media. We're a video and photo production company based right here in Miami, Florida. In this channel, we will be talking photo and video production, tutorials, and tips to grow your brand. We would really appreciate it if you join our community by subscribing to the channel. The echo or reverb is when sound waves traveled to a hard surface and come back and get picked up by the microphone. In order to get rid of the echo, you want to make hard surfaces nice and soft so that the sound doesn't bounce. As you could see in the test,
For business or just for fun.
business or just for fun, it's not perfect, but it is an improvement and it helps my audio sound a little better, and that goes a long way. Audio is often the most important because people can watch with bad quality video, but they tend not to watch at all if it has bad audio. In my room, I have a hard floor, closed walls, and a glass window. To soften the surface, I got 4 things. I got a floor rug, sound panels, window curtains, and a paper backdrop. Each of these are placed in the room with a purpose to reduce the echo. If you have a hard floor like me, the best bang for your buck is gonna be a nice big rug that covers most of the area. Believe it or not, the floor actually bounces a lot of your sound waves, so it is important that you start off by just covering it with a simple rug, and usually rugs are nice and thick, so it's gonna do the job for you. You can get one in Amazon like I did, or any of these furniture places. Some are expensive, but you can find some more affordable ones. If you have a little bit more of a budget and you really want to damp the sound, you can invest on some sound panels. I got these off Amazon, and the ratings and comments were all good, so I took a leap for it. They were 130 bucks, and when I got them, they turned out to be great quality, very easy to build, and I put them on my bigger walls. Just with the sound panels, I was able to actually notice a difference with and without. Believe it or not, glass windows actually bounce some of that sound as well, so I decided to get some curtains. Another purpose that you can use curtains for is actually blocking the natural light. Like right now, I'm recording this on bright daylight and you can't see anything, and I can control my lighting real well in this room because I got blackout curtains. They also help soften the sound. It's like the rug. I got velvet curtains. They're nice, they're thick. It creates a little air gap which helps as well. When the sound hits, it's softer to hit the glass in the back. Lastly, I got a paper backdrop, and as you can see, I try to buy things with multiple purpose. I can take very nice photos with that, create good thumbnails, having a nice video backdrop, but it also helps with the sound. The paper kind of does the same thing as the curtains. It's not as hard of a surface than the closet door behind it, and it creates an air gap as well. Then when the sound waves hits it, it doesn't let it come back as much. And it does what we want. It reduces the echo. Like I said, my room is not perfect. I don't have anything on my ceiling, and my ceiling is actually a hard surface, so you can still get some of that sound coming back, but it's a lot less, and it makes it more enjoyable to hear than a very empty room.
And making videos for whatever, for business or just for fun, takes time.
Other things to keep in mind is also big rooms are harder and they amplify the echo more. High roofs also amplified. The kind of microphone that you're using, make sure that you get a directional mic and you get it as close as possible to you, and that's gonna help reduce echo as well. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and check out our value playlist where we share all our best tips and tricks for you to get better at video production or making videos for your brand. If you guys are looking to further your production and you want to make videos for your company, make sure you contact us at luquidmedia.com. You can find our Instagram at Luquid Media. You can DM us. We'll reply to you. Our information is down in the description below. We're happy to help you. We're happy to make some videos for you. And I hope to see you on the next video.